Strange fruit hanging from the poplar trees. Blood on the leaves.
I just need to clear my mind now. It's been racing since the summertime. Now I'm holding down the summer now. And all I want is what I can't buy now. Cause I ain't got the money on me right now. And I told you to wait. Yeah, I told you to wait. So I'ma need a little more time now. Cause I ain't got the money on me right now. And I thought you could wait. Yeah, I thought you could wait. These bitches surrounding me.
Black bodies
Oh, want
swinging in the
something now, man.
sunlight.
Then they talk about me. Would be lost without me. We could have been somebody. Thought you'd be different about it.
From the poplar
Now I know
trees.
you not it.
From the poplar trees.
So let's get on with it. We could have been somebody. Said you had to tell somebody. Let's take it back to the first party. When you tried your first Molly. It came out of your body. It came out of your body. Running naked down the lobby. And you were screaming that you love me. Before the limelight told ya. Before the limelight stole ya. Remember we were so young. When I would hold ya.
Black bodies
Before
swinging in the southern breeze.
I know you need
Strange fruit
something
hanging
strange happening.
from the poplar trees. From the poplar trees.
You could have been somebody. We could have been somebody. Was it on the first party? When we tried our first Molly, it came out of our body. It came out of our body. Yeah. Before they call lawyers, before you tried to destroy us, how you gon' lie to the lawyer? It's like I don't even know ya. I gotta bring it back to the know ya. Fuck them other niggas cause I'm down with my niggas. Fuck them other niggas cause I'm down with my niggas. Fuck them other niggas cause I'm down with my niggas. I ride with my niggas, I die for mine.
Strange fruit
High on the
from the poplar
sun.
trees. From the poplar trees.
To all my second string bitches, try and get a baby, try and get a baby. Now he talking crazy. I don't give a damn if you used to talk to Jay-Z. He ain't with you with Beyonce, need to stop acting lazy. She Instagram herself like bad bitch alert. He Instagram his watch like mad rich alert. He only wanna see that ass in reverse. $2,000 bag with no cash in your purse. Now you sitting courtside, wifey on the other side. Gotta keep them separated. I call that apartheid. Then she said she pregnated. That's the night your heart died. Then you gotta go into your girl and report that. Main reason cause your pastor said you can't abort that. Now your driver say that new Benz, you can't afford that. All that cocaine on the table, you can't snort that. That going to that, all that money that the court got. On and on the alimony. Yeah, she got you, homie. Yeah, till death but do your part. Unholy matrimony.
Black bodies swinging in the southern breeze. Strange fruit hanging from the poplar trees. From the poplar trees.
No way.
Blood on the leaves.
The summer rose and breathe and breathe and breathe and breathe.
Blood on the leaves.
And breathe and breathe and breathe and breathe.
Black bodies swinging in the southern breeze.
And live and learn, and live and learn.
Strange
And
fruit
live
hanging
and live and learn.
from the poplar trees. From the poplar trees.